Welcome back. I'm Marr, author of over 20 best-selling books on future trends, including generative AI in practice and AI strategy. Today, I want to tackle a controversial topic. Is AI making middle management obsolete? The answer isn't as simple as many think, but the changes coming are profound. Let's start with a surprising statistic. 40% of current middle management tasks can be automated by AI. This has led some to predict the end of middle management entirely. But my research shows something more nuanced is happening. Not the death of middle management, but a radical transformation. Traditional middle management focuses on three areas: information flow, task supervision, and performance monitoring. Here's the reality. AI is already better at these tasks. A financial services company I advised reduced their middle management layer by 30% after implementing AI systems to workflow management and performance tracking. But here's where it gets interesting. The most successful companies aren't eliminating middle managers. They're reinventing their roles. A technology firm I work with transformed their middle managers into what they call human AI orchestrators. These managers focus on areas where AI falls short: building team culture, developing talent, and driving innovation. The new middle manager's role centers on three key areas. First, emotional intelligence and team dynamics. Second, strategic thinking and innovation facilitation. Third, ethical oversight of AI systems. Consider this example. A manufacturing company replaced routine supervision with AI systems, but found they needed middle managers more than ever, not for monitoring production, but for helping teams adapt to constant change and innovation. The skills that matter are shifting dramatically. Process management and reporting are out. Change management, emotional intelligence, and AI literacy are in. One healthcare organization now requires all middle managers to be certified in both people development and AI systems management. Here's the reality check. If your role as a middle manager primarily involves routine supervision and reporting, yes, your job is at risk. But if you can evolve to become a human-AI collaboration expert and people developer, you'll be more valuable than ever. Let me share a success story. A middle manager at a retail company saw the changes coming and repositioned herself as an AI human team optimizer. She now leads a larger team, earns more, and delivers better results by focusing on the human element while leveraging AI for routine tasks. The key is to embrace this evolution. Forward-thinking organizations are already retraining their middle managers to excel in this new environment. They are creating hybrid roles that combine technical literacy with enhanced leadership capabilities. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates on future trends. See you next time.